11th day of the war between Israel and Palestine continues, another tragic incident unfolds. Shockingly, Israeli airstrikes on a hospital in Gaza have killed over 500 people. This incident occurred at Al-Ahli-al-Arbai Hospital. A large number of the victims were young children, and the hospital was completely destroyed after the attack. Palestinian Prime Minister has called it a horrible crime, genocide. The attack has also been condemned by Middle Eastern countries, Iran and Turkey. Thousands of protesters took to the streets around the world to condemn the horrific airstrike on a hospital. This strike occurred while US President Joe Biden is to visit Israel to show solidarity in its fight against Hamas. Meanwhile, Israel has blamed the hospital strike on Islamic Jihad Militants, claiming that military intelligence suggested that the hospital was hit by a failed rocket launch by the militants.
I want to give you an announcement of the event that occurred in the hospital in Gaza. I can confirm that an analysis of the IDF operational systems indicates that a barrage of rockets was fired by terrorists in Gaza, passing in close proximity to the Al-Ahli-al-Arbai Hospital in Gaza at the time it was hit. Intelligence from few sources that we have in our hands indicates that the Islamic Jihad is responsible for the failed rocket launch which hit the hospital in Gaza.
According to Geneva Conventions, hospitals, medical staff, and mobile medical facilities cannot be attacked during a war. The attack is considered a war crime. As per the health authorities in Gaza, the death toll has reached over 3,000 and more than 12,000 have been wounded. In Israel, the death toll has reached over 1,400.